XMed, a company operating for over 10 years in the medical field, presents GDK, Gynecology Disposable Kit, an innovative kit for hysteroscopy. The kit with unidirectional flow is composed of two parts: the disposable shirt, comprehensive of tabs for the influx and the reflux of the saline solution, and the endoshaft cover plus sheath. The main advantage of using the GDK device resides in the possibility to use the same hysteroscope for many consecutive tests. The device provides an absolute barrier between the patient and the instrument, preventing cross-contamination and preserving the integrity of the optical system over time. It can be used with the most common hysteroscopes today on the market, such as Storz, Wolf, and Olympus. For each one of them, a specific connector is made for the attachment to the instrument. The distal portion of the hysteroscope is protected by a special lens, which perfectly pairs to the distal shape of the instrument, ensuring an optimal viewing superimposable to that obtained with the traditional methods. Now, let's look at the correct protocol usage of the device. Two stations are necessary: a sterile station and a clean station. On the sterile station are located the GDK and the fundamental accessories for the examination. On the non-sterile station will be placed the optical, the light transmission cable, and the camera. The person in charge of the preparation must insert the hysteroscope on the endoshaft cover plus sheath, making sure that the pairing lens tool is optimal. Fix the sheath to the instrument, acting on the proximal connector, and turning 90 degrees in the case of the Storz and Wolf opticals. For the Olympus opticals, the connection occurs with the insertion of the shutter until it stops. Remove the stick of protection from the sheath. Then, with the same hand, withdraw the GDK jacket and insert the hysteroscope within the jacket, while maintaining the same angle between the optical and the jacket. Make sure that the connector of the sheath is fully in contact with the pin connector of the jacket. This allows to keep the distal part of the jacket perfectly in line with the optical. Once it has occurred, lower the lock, which is necessary to prevent the rotation of the device. At this point, be careful not to contaminate the sterile hand with the non-sterile. Keep the connection of the jacket with the sterile hand while fixing the cable and the camera to the instrument with the other hand. Keeping the instrument with the non-sterile hand, use the sterile hand to connect the infusion line. At this point, take the free edge of the camera cover and extend it along its entire length. The instrument is now ready to make the examination. At the end of the hysteroscopy examination, detach everything up, throw away the GDK and relocate the hysteroscope on the clean surface, ready for immediate use. The packaging of the device is in a single sterile envelope with triplex label, which allows to easily transfer the tracking data on the patient's medical record. The device guarantees an increase in the number of daily examinations, as it nullifies the time required for the sterilization of the instrument, drastically reducing waiting lists and increasing the productivity of the department. GDK is an absolute barrier against bacteria, viruses and prions, and its effectiveness has been tested by independent laboratories. Thanks to the custom-made program, XMed Ltd responds flexibly to different needs, realizing customized solutions. It is possible to make GDK with different angles of vision. It is also available in different versions, with and without camera cover, for instruments with Storz, Wolf and Olympus connectors.